Welcome back. We're going to get right into getting to know our data and starting with step one. I'm going to open up this Tech Moms annual report. I'm going to right click on it. Maybe not. I'll just open it and scroll through, get to know this information. Tech Moms overview, the net promoter score. How likely are you to refer others to Tech Moms? 91%. That's great. Satisfaction rating. How would you rate your overall experience of Tech Mom staff? 98%. Amazing. Got some big shoes to fill. So this is what we want to get to, though. So this is the student demographic data. This is the data that we'll be analyzing. So last year they reported these numbers. The percentage of single mothers or head of household, the percentage of women of color, percentage of households with an income less than 50K, and the number of children supported. They also reported on the education level entering Tech Moms, bachelor's, graduate, doctoral, high school certificate, associates, some college. This is survey results. Okay, so this is the main thing that we're going to focus on is the student demographic data. I kind of have a feel for it now, so let's get into the actual data. So this is the CSV file. So in GitHub, you can kind of scroll through this CSV file and see these columns, see the column headers, the names. You can see some of this is missing data in different columns, so kind of just a note to self. You've got creation date. Okay, we're going to go ahead and download this. So this will be downloaded in my downloads folder. I am going to then, let's go back to the README. What does it say? Review Tech Mom's report, download, open it in the spreadsheet of my choice and start evaluating columns, data dictionary, and then questions. Okay, so as I go, I'm going to start marking these off. So we reviewed the annual report, we downloaded the data, and then I'll open it. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to say update README. You can add an additional message here if you want. I don't want to at this time. So I'm just going to commit the changes. And I can see here it's marked off. So to go to Google Sheets, you can go sheets.new. That'll open a new Google Sheet for you. Okay, I need to just hide this at this point, right? Okay, so we're going to go File, Import, Upload, Browse. And this is in my downloads. It'll have this pop-up, import location, replace spreadsheet, separator type, detect automatically. What else do we got here? Tab, comma, custom. Automatically is fine. Convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas. Sounds good to me. Import data. Okay. Let's rename this. File rename, Tech Moms application. We'll just do demographic analysis. Okay. And also one thing I really like to do when I get a new spreadsheet is I like to format it as such. Add a, this header, I turn it gray just to have some delineation there. I take the whole thing and I add a filter to it. And now I feel like I can work with the data. I've got it kind of organized in the way that I like it. And so we go here. Let's see if I can move me. Hello. And I just like to clean this up. Yours might not say this, but. So what did I say? Let's do a data dictionary. Add a new tab. Rename data dictionary. Go here. And so just kind of going through these columns, contact ID. So this looks like a unique ID for every person in the in this like applicant pool. Let's just get to know our data. Go all the way down and see So we've got, this number doesn't exactly match this number, which is really interesting. So normally in a database, you would have one row, one like ID for each row. So it looks like some data has been deleted from this applicant data because the number of rows don't match the contact ID. So that's interesting. So I'm going to add that to my questions tab. So here, questions. Why does the number of contact IDs not match the number of rows? So we'll get back to that. And then otherwise, this data looks pretty good. Again, scrolling all the way up. We can see there's some missing data in employment status, salary range. Maybe not everyone has children, that's fine. So I'm gonna just add that question. Note, there is some missing data in employment status and salary range. Ideas? Thoughts? Ideas? Why? Okay. And then going back, what I wanted to do is do this data dictionary. So we've got contact ID, cohort. I don't really know what that means exactly. So what I like to do is open this filter and scroll down and see 2021. Okay, so I think I know what this means. This is all of the cohorts that Tech Moms has ever run. So we have like Ogden Fall, Salt Lake Community College Fall, Lehigh. So these are all the cohorts. We have wait list. Got it. And then I look at this, applicant status applied, assessment received, assigned cohort, assigned interviewee. So just getting to know what is on here. What am I working with? We have children. That seems straightforward. Number of children. Do you own a laptop? I do not own a laptop. I have a laptop Mac or a laptop PC. Okay, that will be some interesting data to know if there's more PC users or more Mac users. We've got employment status. So we've got some answers there, some options. Salary range, that seems pretty straightforward. Relationship, straightforward. Household income, education level. Do you identify as LGBTQI? Are you a veteran? Your race, ethnicity, and let me move myself. Creation date. So this I'm going to assume is the date that the record was created, the application was created. So what I want to do is go here, copy this, go to data dictionary, and we'll go like right click, paste special, and I'm going to paste it as transposed. And that's going to give me all the columns down this way. I can delete these two. And then I can just write the description here, a unique identifier. There we go. Cohort, which cohort the students were assigned to. Applicant status. We'll come back to this one. Children. So you can do this on your own. You can write down all of the descriptions of each of the columns based on your best guess. And then you'll have just this as a reference to know what all of the columns mean. So try it out.